Hello guys, we are starting our market analysis here on silver chart, the daily time frame. What we can see here on the daily chart was that yesterday was kind of a consolidation day, which didn't give us exactly a push to either downside or upside. But currently, as we can see that big expansion to the upside, I'm expecting only and looking only for bullish price action. As we can see, the price came back into the daily fair value gap, and currently, as we can see, it is making some kind of a reaction out of it, giving us some bullish signs. The 4-hour here edge session was very aggressive to the downside, but we've tested that fair value gap over here, and currently the price is giving us some reaction to the upside, which can be read as a manipulation, that one over here. And from here on, we are looking only for bullishness. If the price rejects from here and the 4-hour closes kind of a bearish, that one, then I will just skip the day for trading over here on silver chart, since we won't have a clear structure that I can currently trade onto. But as we can see, we've set all those liquidities over here, all those lows were taken out, so I will be using silver only as a manipulation pair for today. Gold on the daily time frame. Yesterday was a bit of a bullish day here. We've almost reached the first target over here, which today with the open we've reached it, and now we are looking for that extreme over here. 4-hour time frame here looks very good. We are leaning to a bullish side, came back into that order book, and currently we are seeing some kind of a reaction out of it. So we are looking for bullishness over here. As we can see, we failed to sweep that low, and silver taken out that low as well over here. So until we take that low out, we are currently having S&T, and we can look for some kind of a position. So I will be monitoring the price and look for some kind of a chance to position myself on the 15 minutes time frame. That will give me a bullish structure that I can use. So currently we are waiting if we can see some kind of a reaction over here to take a trade to the upside. Euro on the daily time frame, as we can see, price is currently retracing back into that big fair value gap. So the only thing that we can look for is bullish price action. We are currently respecting that daily fair value gap over here, which is acting as a resistance for the price, with those two candles failing to push to the upside. So maybe we are going to see a bit of a slower market and price retracing even lower. But at the moment, I'm interested in trading only the bullish side. I don't see that drop to the downside as something that I'm willing to take some risk onto. As we can see, we're making a clear structure here. Drop to the downside, fair value gap, retest. Drop to the downside, fair value gap, retest. Drop to the downside, maybe leaving behind here a fair value gap. And we are going to see a probable retrace over here. But most likely, the moment we breach one of those fair value gaps over here, especially if we make that one over here and we invert it, then the price will keep on pushing to the upside. But at the moment, we don't have a structure over here, so we won't be taking any trades. Currently, as we can see, here we've taken edge session lows and also swept everything over here, which pound is still not taken out, so we will be using euro as a manipulation over here. Pound on the daily time frame still pushing to the upside. No clear zone that is currently pushing the price to the downside, so that target over here is still a valid one, and we still look for bullish price action. 4-hour time frame is still holding some kind of a structure. After that drop from yesterday, we've immediately pushed to the upside, not giving the market a chance to keep on pushing to the downside, and over here we can see some kind of a consolidation. But currently we've taken out all those lows over here, that low over here as we can see, is already taken out. So clearly, until we take out that low over here, we are trading into SMT. So clearly, we're waiting for some kind of a reaction out of the market, maybe out of that hourly fair value gap over here, maybe out of that order book over here. So currently, we're waiting to see some kind of a reaction out of a key zone on the hourly time frame. And then if we have a structure over here on the 15-minute time frame, to position ourselves for a bullish bias, aiming for those highs over here. That will be it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching.